So here's how to send bitcoins from Binance to another wallet. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Binance account, then click on the wallet option at the bottom right corner. Flip over to the spots so you can see which coins you are holding. So let's suppose I want to transfer ADA from this wallet to another wallet. I will click on it. Now you will see the withdraw button at the bottom. If you click on it, now you will see these two options. So you can send via your crypto network or via your email address or phone number. So if you want to send to another Binance user, you have to select this bottom option. However, to send to another network, select the top option. Now here it will ask you to add the information. In this video, I'm going to send to my Trust wallet. For this, I opened my Trust wallet and then click on the receive option at the top. Then from here, I'm going to select the currency that I want to receive. Then here it gives me this QR code and the address. Just you have to copy it and then go to your Binance account, and here you have to paste this address in this address bar. For network, it will automatically switch to your currency. Now here you have to enter the amount that you want to send to another wallet. Once you have selected the amount, then you will be able to see this withdraw option at the bottom. So this was how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet.